Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name is Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to hide photos with privacy settings with the iPhone 13 Pro. First, open up the Settings app, and then go down to Privacy, and then go to Photos. Here, you can select the apps you would like to give access to your photos. Next, I'll show you how to hide individual photos in your photo gallery. Click on the photo that you want to hide, press the Share button, and then go down to Hide, which is up here. Then Hide Photo. Now that photo has been placed inside of the Hidden album, which is down here, and you can see all of your hidden photos. If you'd like to hide your hidden photo album, then you go to your settings and go to your photo settings within your settings app. And then you can find a selection to turn on and off the hidden album. And that is how to hide photos with the iPhone 13 Pro.